Una read when me just read? No. First thing first, yeah? First thing first. This beat all of the stereotype we not have about Jamaican man. When you say Jamaican man have a bag of picnic here, left, right, and center. Him win. Him beat that. The man have 1,300. Now, first thing first, the big word we're in this, me never did know it. Somebody have to Google it and to talk about something to do with picnic children. Sorry, for those who don't understand what in Jamaica we say picnic, but we don't say children. Alright, cool. Children born out of wedlock. That means that the man a go around and a sleep with other people, woman, and a breed them up. So enough man out there own film picnic and think of them picnic. Yeah, the man have one is a retired postman. So meanwhile you there work and left your woman in your yard. Back in the days, I know my area you know, old man this too. Back in the days when you used to go work and I work a hard job and I left your woman at yard and she take care of everything we take care of. Postman a delivery. He might deliver more than just the parcel. The man go from door to door and deliver 100, 1,300. My God. No, sir. You're wicked. Man, boy. Imagine that postman deliver some big package.